You know, it's one thing to be a teacher, it's another thing to be a director, but to be able to step into that mentorship role and to see week after week the kids coming in and knocking on that door just to chat or ask a question about their class or their career, their trajectory. It's really important to me because this is an entirely collaborative art form that we're working on here in the Department of Theater and Dance. And so for me to step into this myriad of roles for these students, I think it's really meaningful, impactful, and important for them. But I do want them to know that it's just as meaningful for me because I'm hopefully being for them the people who I had in my life who helped me get to where I am.
To have an actor of Steve's caliber here on campus, it's a game changer for our students. Students are seeing him not only perform, but they're working with him daily. That's an incredible experience for them.
I definitely looked at the faculty and I fell in love with everything ETSU had to offer for theater when I heard that Steve was coming in, and I kind of dived into his career and what he's done with theater. I kind of was like, oh my God, I really do want to be a part of this. It's always just awesome to have something from a different perspective, not that Broadway or any of these credits are greater to or less than anything else that the other professors have, but just a completely different worldview is what Broadway I think creates in someone, and it's just a really interesting and really cool experience. It opened up a world of opportunities, not just for me but for other students.